Well, hi guys, welcome back to Jax Aviation. No, I'm not Jack, I'm Chris, and I'm Jack's dad. So Jack is my son, he's 6 years old, and he absolutely loves planes. Now, I won't keep you too long because you're here for the action, you're here for the plane spotting, so I won't keep you too long, but just to give a little background on Jack and his fascination and love for aviation. So, like I say, Jack is 6 years old. He's been interested in planes since he was about 2.5, 3 years old. We took him to London. We stayed in a hotel just outside London, which was basically right next to Heathrow. He found the planes. He saw the planes landing because they were literally landing in the car, almost just over the car park of the hotel. And he was fascinated. He absolutely was fascinated, and he's been fascinated ever since. His enthusiasm. He watches Jerry Dyer, who is the presenter on Big Jet TV, another massive aviation plane spotting channel in the UK. He watches Jerry quite rigorously every weekend, and he absolutely loves aviation and loves planes. So we've decided to set up this channel. He's already got a few videos on, so have a look at those. Like I said, I'm going to play this latest video now from Heathrow. Sorry about the wind noise. It was quite a windy day, so sorry about the wind noise. But yeah, like I say, you'll probably hear me in the background. I do all the sort of filming and editing and everything. So you hear me in the background a bit. But yeah, Jack, he just loves plane spotting. He loves watching the planes. So yeah, I'm going to play that now. If he makes you laugh in any way, or you enjoy the video, you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Jack asks me daily how many subscribers we've got, how many views we've got, and all that kind of thing. So he absolutely loves it when he knows people are watching these videos. He knows people are subscribing to the channel. He absolutely loves it. So thanks guys, and I'll hand you over to Jack now at Heathrow. Thanks.
Today, welcome back to chat. We are back at Heathrow, so we'll basically do some more things. So we basically did more. So we all you can see my Heathrow ones. You can check them out. You can watch the videos of them. So you know I've been to the Emirates one, so you can watch them videos. So basically we can, you're looking for a plane, so these are all the, because I don't know about planes, because I always when I come to airports, I what's British Airways? No, Virgin. So I always get confused. Planes. So, British Airways. This is a joke. Here we go, guys. This is American basically like this, so oh my god, I was like, oh, using those. So over there, guys, is British Airways. Not sure British Airways bus! British Airways bus! A320.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Well, that was an AC-20. It's bigger than an AC-20, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's like, he's quiet.
Yeah.
Right? He sounds like a private jet. I'm not sure. So, we got the next plane.
Who's coming, Jack?
I'm not sure. There's some next plane. Next plane. Next plane. There's Virgin. I hope he might be wrong. He might be wrong. Next plane. Virgin. No, it's British Airlines. You always get it.
Trees in the way, Jack, are they? favourite plane, Jack?
British Virgin.
British Airways A320.
British Virgin.
Oh, okay. Your favourite airline today?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favourite type of plane?
Plane.
A380? A320?
A320.
A320?
777.
777? Oh, that's a good plane. That's a really good plane. Yeah.
Because they're rated to be too loud.
Well, they are big, and they're loud. 4 engines. KLM, Jack. KLM just come in.
Oh God, it's my plane taking off. Run, my plane taking off. Come out, come out. Yes. Actually, so that could be an A320. That's an A320. So that's, it could be Emirates, or Qatar, or Qantas.
Or British Airways. That one's British Airways, Jack.
Dad,
British Airways, that one was. It's turning now.
how do I zoom in? So I'm gonna zoom in.
I'll zoom, don't worry.
Huh?
I'll zoom.
Like Jerry. He does this. He puts stands like that. You can put that out to stand on the ground. Ow. Ew. I was in Moonlight. This hotel.
Jack, who's this one coming, Jack?
I was doing the night for this hotel. Yes, it's no. Yes or no? But I was doing the night for the hotel.
Jack, British Airways. What was that, Jack? What was that, Jack?
Let me check.